Here are the 5 best camp kitchen. So, let's dive into the video. Number 1, most popular. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station. Whether you're cooking for your entire family, a small group of friends, or just enjoy the luxury of using a well-designed portable outdoor kitchen, the Outdoor Master Cook Portable Folding Camp Kitchen by GCI makes a great, all-round choice for your next camping trip. Thanks to its sturdy one-piece steel frame, you can load it up with all your kitchen essentials, as well as benefiting from hassle-free installation. The Outdoor Master Cook has plenty of useful features to help you cook the best outdoor meals when camping. The aluminum heat-resistant countertop is specially designed to fit camp stoves, complete with a lower storage rack for your cooler and other provisions. Number 2. Camco Deluxe Folding Grill Table. Make cooking easy during your camping trip with this simple and highly practical folding grill table by Camco. At just 6 inches tall when folded up, it's a travel space saver that will maximize your enjoyment when cooking and preparing meals outdoors. With its sturdy, folding steel frame and lightweight aluminum tabletop, this grill table is a high-quality, solid piece of kit. With no complicated, finicky bits to fit into place, it sets up really fast in less than 1 minute, saving you precious time to focus on getting the rest of your camp ready. The lower storage area consists of a raised metal rack where you can store your cooler or other bulky items as required. Number 3. Coleman 200-00-20275 Pack-Away Deluxe. The Coleman Pack-Away Deluxe Portable Kitchen makes cooking and cleaning up after your outdoor meal nice and easy. Offering a roomy countertop for prepping and cooking for a small family or a couple, you'll also benefit from additional storage space alongside its compact design. The lightweight aluminum frame folds down into itself, with the back stand and counter forming a self-contained carry case. This makes this camping kitchen extremely packable and very easy to transport single-handedly. Number 4. Camp Chef Sherpa Camp. Want a simple way to cook outdoors with ease? Check out the no-nonsense, minimalist Sherpa table by Camp Chef. Highly practical, weather-resistant and incredibly sturdy, this camping kitchen can be used wherever you choose to camp, whether you're boondocking or staying at a developed campsite. Featuring telescopic aluminum legs, a roll-out aluminum tabletop, durable, heavy-duty 600 denier fabric organizers and a carry bag, this camp kitchen is outdoor primed and ready. The adjustable legs make it easy to level up on uneven ground, and at just 13.55 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Number 5. Ozark Trail Durable Steel Frame. If you are looking for a basic, inexpensive camp kitchen that's both easy to set up and pack down, then check out the Ozark Trail Deluxe Kitchen and Sink. Weighing in at 20.5 pounds with a sturdy fold-up steel frame, this model comes with a durable carry bag for easy to transport from your vehicle to the campsite. It folds up to just 33 by 26 inches, so even if you don't have a lot of space for a larger model in your car, this compact camping kitchen will easily squeeze in. Bear in mind that unlike larger models, it does not have a dedicated prep area.
Thanks for watching the video.